Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to use Midjourney to create UI or UX for your app design, okay? So first of all, I want to give you a little explanation about what is a UX or UI. So here I'm going to this image that I consider really appropriate for this. So the user experience or UX is like an image that is gonna give you as a result, a product that delight users with their effectiveness. So probably it's going to have some text or some references to the product that we have, some features. So for instance, if we're talking about a blender, I don't know, this is going to tell me the speed of the blender, the capacity, some other like features like if I want to create a milkshake or just the juice, or if I'm going to introduce some ice and so on, and the time that is going to be able to be on. That's user experience. This is going to give me info and obviously with a great result in the image. In the other hand, if I'm talking about the user interface, the result is a product that delights users aesthetically. So if you're speaking about the same blender, I don't want to know about the speed or the capacity. No, I want to know of the shape of the blender, also the color, the height, perhaps, yes, some stuff that I want to look, not the effectiveness, just aesthetically. And that's a difference. And Midjourney, it's going to help us with that, specifically with the user interface. I'm not sure how deep it could go with the user experience with the user interface, but with the user interface is marvelous, okay? So Midjourney is an artificial intelligence almost the same as DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 is that with the OpenAI, but Midjourney is not OpenAI. It's a different one, but it's almost the same. It's gonna give you 4 versions of the product that you are looking for, and you can create new versions of those versions and so on, and some other features that perhaps DALL-E 2 is not gonna give you. So if you want to use Midjourney, you must have a Discord account, so you must create one, and after that you must go and click on sign in. In that way, it's going to ask you the permission to join into your Discord account, and once you have done that, obviously you're going to your Discord, and in the left menu here in all these channels, you're gonna have the Midjourney channel. So as I've been said, you are going to write your request and Midjourney is going to give you some results. So I want to show you some examples. For instance, here, a person was asking for a logo for a website that collects and archives new articles. Obviously, I'm not sure if this person gave the name of it, but it has great results, and obviously aesthetically it's not related to the user experience. Some other example, for instance, here, oh, this is a long one, no, I want a shorter. A cartoon image of a book with an artichoke on the cover. Okay, and obviously it's gonna give you some results. And you can create a new version of a specifically image if you want. So if you want to begin with Midjourney and use it, obviously you're going into a new view channel, and in the right menu there's going to be the team, the users, and the bot. If you click on Midjourney bot, you're going to be able to add to a server specifically and select a server. So why I'm doing this? Because you can create images here, but a lot of people is creating images here too. Okay, so you're not gonna be able, as you can see, there are a lot. So if you make one, your creation is gonna be a lot further. So what you want to do is to have your Midjourney bot in a specific server. So for that, in the left menu, above all your servers, you can add a server or create a new one, create my own. For me and my friends, by now this is just gonna be me, and I'm gonna name it as test. Okay, I'm gonna to create it. And here, if I come back to my Midjourney boat, here in the right part and add to server, I'm gonna be able to just add it to the test server and continue. Obviously, I'm going to authorize the Midjourney bot to verify that I'm a human. And that's it. I've authorized this, and now I'm in test. I have the Midjourney bot. So what you can do is to write the slash, and you're gonna get different commands to use Midjourney. I'm going just to mention 3 of these: ask, blend, and imagine. Imagine is the most common in Midjourney because it's going to create images with Midjourney, as we've been looking here in the server, okay? But there are other commands like ask, get an answer to a question, is perhaps like equal to ChatGPT, maybe not with the same efficiency, but it's gonna give you some answers to your question. And the third option is blend, so you can select 2 images and blend those images together seamlessly. So those are the 3 options or commands. Are more there, but these are the most common, okay? So if you may click on imagine, there's going to be prompt, no worries for that. And here you're going to write what you're looking for. So perhaps a banana wearing a pajama, a red pajama, to be more specific. Sometimes this action is not going to be allowed. Due to extreme demand, we can't provide a free trial right now. So you must subscribe or try again tomorrow, okay? But by now I'm not trying anymore because I've been showing you some other results of people. Obviously, you could be really specific on what you're looking for, okay? Perhaps the resolution, the size of it, like the format, yeah? You can be really specific to obtain that. And I consider these are great images as user interface, are really aesthetic, and this is gonna be really helpful for your apps if you need it, okay? Obviously, if you don't want to have this problem of the high demand that they are experiencing, you can go back and purchase a plan. There are 3 different plans, like from $8 a month until $48 per month, so I guess it could be useful. And there are other features that you're gonna obtain with this premium plan. And that's it. That's how you can use Midjourney to your app design. Unfortunately, I have not been able to give you an example of my own, but there are great examples on Midjourney Bow that could be of reference to you. Thanks for watching.